Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning to my friends and selfies. Today our group will present about role of vestibular system in sport. So basically, do you ever heard of infection in your ear? So if you have an infection in your ear, you commonly notice that you have difficulty in your balance and you might get a dizziness. Why is this happen? It's because your vestibular system is not your ear is not contribute to hearing, but also to the balance and your spatial equilibrium. So vestibular system is a collection of structure in your inner ear that contribute balance and spatial orientation, meaning said that your brain will integrate information with other sensory information for your body to coordinate smooth and real-time body movement. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before we start our presentation or my slide, I will introduce myself. My name is Nuri.Amzar.Isyraq.Hareez.Ikhmal and I am from class 4E. Today, I will explain or present about my slide. The topic of my slide is motor control system. Okay, basically, what is motor control system? Okay, in the easy word, motor control system is how our brain process and send the information to our muscles or our limbs to do their works. Okay, we go to the definition, specific definition of motor control system. Okay, firstly is nervous system produce movement. Secondly, process by which humans and animals use their brain or cognition to activate and coordinate their muscles and limbs involved in the performance of the motor skills. Okay, nervous systems produce movement. Usually, we all know that nervous system divided by two, CNS or PNS and PNS. For CNS called central nervous system, meanwhile PNS called peripheral nervous system. So, the brain, the motor control system is the brain coordinate, the brain process and give the information to our muscles to do their works. Okay, so we go to the second slide is motor control system, function of motor control system. Usually, the first function of motor control system is integrate the information from the brain, coordinate contraction and relaxation of muscle group, and lastly is respond to stimuli. Okay, the first point, integrate the information from the brain. Okay, for example, the integrate the information from the brain is as we play like sport, we play that like rugby. So the brain will process or integrate the function, integrate the information and give the info to the muscle. So the brain will process when we will do the side step, when we will passing, and how the way we will passing to our teammates. Okay, secondly is coordinate contraction and relaxation of muscle group. Okay, coordinate contraction and relaxation of muscle group is like same like the first point. The brain will process and the muscle, you will do your work. Like our like brain give the info and muscle or limbs will do your works. And lastly is respond to stimuli. For the respond to stimuli, in easy word that we will know easy, respond to stimuli is like our reflex. For an example, for the respond to stimuli is like when we touch the hot things such as hot kettle, so our hand will firstly go far away from touch the kettle, because we know that kettle is hot, so our brain will respond fastly and our hand will respond fastly to the stimuli. So that's called as a response to stimuli. So I think this is the motor control system that you will know. So I hope you guys will understand what I will explain to you, and have a nice day. Assalamualaikum.
My name is Nuri.Amzar.Isyraq.Hareez, and I am today going to tell you about the basic anatomy of the vestibular system. So this is the vestibular system. They are divided into three parts. That is the outer ear, the middle ear, which is this one, and the inner ear. Okay, the outer area of the ear are helix, tragus, lobule, and external auditory canal. That's made up of this. For the middle ear, tympanic membrane, auditory ossicle, and Eustachian tube, which is here. And the inner ear are the round window, oval window, cochlea, vestibule cochlear nerve, and semicircular vestibule. Okay, for the outer ear, which is this part, of the ear, consists of helix, tragus, and lobule, function as mechanism of hearing. They trap sound wave to help our body to hear sound. For the middle ear, here, is the component will control the.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nuri.Amzar.Isyraq.Hareez.Ikhmal. I am from 4E. Today I'm going to explain to all of you, about the illustration of the vestibular system. So basically the system is in our ear. So today I have the picture of the vestibular system. Okay, here if you all can see, there are three parts of it. Okay, the first part is the outer ear, which is the orange one, and the purple is the middle ear, and the blue one is the inner ear. Okay, if you all can see here, the outer ear consists of three things. First is helix, and in the helix, which is our ear, outside ear, it have two, tragus and lobule. Lobule is our in the ear, at the ear. Okay, we go into the deeper segment, which is the middle ear with the purple one. Okay, the purple one have three things inside of it. First is tympanic membrane, auditory ossicles, and Eustachian tube. Okay, for the outer ear, it also have the external auditory canal.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I will present the physiology of vestibular system. So vestibular system is in our inner ear, so it will call vestibular labyrinth. So vestibular labyrinth is beside the cochlea. So vestibular labyrinth will have semicircular canals. So in the semicircular canals have three parts. So what that three part? So we will go through the picture behind me. So let's go. So this is vestibular labyrinth, all of this. So it will beside the cochlea. So in the semicircular canals have three parts. So basically one of them is for nodding head yes or no, small shaking side to side, and tilting right and left. So basically vestibular labyrinth is fulfilled with endolimb. Endolimb is like flute for the ear. So the next physiology of vestibular system is when the endolimb, the flute, when we nodding or tilting our head, so the flute will go to ampulla. So what is ampulla? Yeah, we go behind me. the next physiology of vestibular system is when the endolimb, the fluid, when we nodding or tilting our head, so the fluid will go to ampulla. So what is ampulla? Yeah, we go behind me. So we have reached to the last part of vestibular system, where the process begins, sent to the mind. So the last part is otolith organs. So we go for the picture behind me. So this is otolith organ. So what we saw is autosonia. Autosonia is made up from crystal of calcium carbonate. So basically, otolith organ for our movement, forward and backward movement. So the conclusion that I have made is we need to take care of our ear. We need to listen all of the instruction from lecturer. So that's all from us. Thank you. So the conclusion that I have made is we need to take care of our ear. We need to listen all of the instruction from lecturer. So that's all from us. Thank you.